Hey guys, it's Kissme and I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be making a holiday Chex mix, and this is the cookies and cream version. So I'm not used to cooking and stuff in front of the camera. So the first thing that in the instructions told me to do was set aside 6 cups of rice Chex mix or Chex cereal, and I've already opened everything.
I wish that every day of the year could have the love that we feel on Christmas Day.
Okay, so since that's done, we're gonna go ahead and crush up the Oreos. I got Oreo things because I'm pretty sure these are easier to break than the large ones, and it's pretty much the same thing. And we're gonna be adding the Hershey's white chocolate bars to it. So I'm gonna take a whole roll and put it in a Ziploc bag. You see the little holiday stuff on it? It's a little star with bows and bits and stuff. So I'm gonna take a whole roll. Well, I might as well just put the whole thing in there. But I kind of want to save some for a snack. I think that's enough. Or maybe I'll just be greedy. Alright, I'm going to put the whole thing in there. Because these are things, they're not the big ones. That's all of them. And I'm gonna get a spoon. Well, let me take all the air out of it, so it's easy to break. They want it to be finely like crushed, so, or I can just take a mallet and do that. Okay, so that's as far as I'm gonna get it because my arm is hurting. So they said to put this in the bowl with the Chex mix. I think I'm gonna get a bigger bowl, y'all. So I got another bowl. Pour that in there. They really said to put this in the Ziploc bag, but I want to be able to see my ingredients. So I'm gonna take all of these and pour them in the mix. And the Chex mix. Make sure all the product is out. Make sure all the product is out. Make sure all the food is out. I sound like I'm making a hair or makeup tutorial. Okay. There's still like a big chunk, so I'm gonna go ahead and break it apart in my hands. I'm just gonna mix that in. And I'm gonna add the powdered sugar to it. Now this will make a big mess. So if you're a kid and you're watching this, make sure you have an adult with you. If you're an adult and you're watching this, make sure you have a kid with you, or you have another adult with you. Somebody you can blame the mess on. I don't have anybody to blame the mess on, so it's all on me. And I clean the kitchen anyway, so it doesn't really matter. So I'm trying to get a corner free. My kitchen scissors. And just cut the corner. And it says to put 1 cup of powdered sugar in it. I'm gonna use that same cup. And make sure you pour the product over the bowl so you don't make a big mess in case you don't have sturdy hands. Don't do what I just did. Okay. It's almost to the top. Oh, I can taste it. I can't wait till this is done because this is going to be so good. I know it is. And I bet this got so many calories. tastes so good, like in the air. Like I can taste it on my tongue when I breathe. Okay, let me make sure I put this away so I don't make a big mess. I'm gonna put this in another Ziploc bag. Okay. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and pour this all over the mixture. And I'm gonna mix that in. And this is what we're getting right now. Just so you guys can see. Just wait till we start melting this. So, I got a measuring cup because it said to microwave the chocolate in a microwave safe bowl. So I'm gonna take my Hershey bars, and it said to warm it up in 10 second intervals, but we're gonna do 15 to 20 seconds because I ain't trying to make this video too long. I think I might just, I'm gonna use all of them, never mind. So I'm gonna open these and put them in the measuring cup. It said to add butter, but I'm not trying to add no butter to it. Like, that's too much. It's already sweet and like really bad for you. You don't have to add it. It said it was optional, but you know, some people like to follow recipes. I do my own thing. Okay, so now I'm going to take this and I'm going to heat it up for like 15 seconds, like 4 times. So now I'm gonna take my spatula, or no, okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take the other Ziploc bag. Let me hurry and stir it so it doesn't get hard. It's all melted. It's a little bit burnt, I ain't gonna lie. But it smells really good. I'm gonna hurry up before it gets hard. So, I'm gonna pour this into this bag. I think I want to pour a little bit more cereal. Because it's not a lot of cereal. So I'm gonna put a little bit more. Then I'm going to add the chocolate. But this is how it's supposed to look. And I'm going to pour it out into the bowl.
So good.
That is the end result. So you kind of have like a Chex Mix, Muddy Buddy going on. And let's see how it tastes. Yup.